Mga kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services sa Where in Pampanga community natin. So for today's vlog, I'd like to thank C-Style Kitchen for being generous. Let's start, introducing the dishes one by one, guys. And sa sobrang dami, I actually have a kodigo. Si C-Style Kitchen ay located po sa Sta Maria Village to Balibago, Angeles City. And the meetup points actually are anywhere in Angeles City. And if you are from Angeles City, you get the delivery for free starting at 10 a.m. up until 7 p.m. So let's begin with the refreshment. So actually, yung drinks natin, guys, starts at 65 pesos. Meron tayo ditong orangeade. And then next is limeade. Meron din tayong classic lemon, cherry lemon, lemon cucumber, the tornado, and honey lemon. Anyway, so this is honey lemon. Let's taste it. Wow, sarap. When the drink is a lemon based, you can't go wrong with it, guys. So, just add a little sugar, or you combine it with other fruits like a cucumber, an orange. You really can't go wrong. So these are actually available sa C-Style Kitchen. So yeah, have a refreshing day with them. Wow, that is so refreshing. All right. Okay, so now for the dishes, I think let's have a different format for today, no? So since sobrang dami nito, guys, I think I'm just gonna, try just a few, but let me introduce them all to you guys. So for the appetizer, guys, itong tinatawag nilang family style nachos or family nachos. Look at the size of that, it's really huge. The price is just 250 pesos. Now for the sandwich, guys, meron tayo ditong Clubhouse with nachos and cheese. Yeah, no? So your Clubhouse sandwiches is, napapaligiran siya ng mga nachos plus your cheese dip. Now for the pasta, you have your creamy carbonara, your creamy pesto, and the Italian pepperoni penne. Now with the rice meals, guys, meron tayong chicken teriyaki, rice and corn, with chicken barbecue wings, rice and corn, pork chop a la king, rice and corn. And then lastly, guys, to top it all off, for our dessert, mango graham float. Wow! Can't wait to taste that, guys. Where do we start? Syempre, start natin sa appetizer. Let me go for this family nachos. There you go, guys. Oh. So, yan. You got of course, your nachos chips. Meron din tayong ground meat. And of course, hindi mo mawawala yung cheese dyan. Amazing! So yummy. I like the cheese, na? I actually like the cheese. Next to taste, guys, itong teriyaki rice meals nila. Chicken teriyaki with sauce, with corn, and then rice. Ang sarap talaga ng pagkain habang mainit. You start eating it. I'm gonna try this pork chop a la king. Get a spoonful of the meat, the rice, and the corn. That is creamy. Absolutely creamy. Absolutely creamy. Sarap nito, guys. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. I gotta have another, spoon of that parang a la king sauce. Oh, wow. Probably for the pasta, let's try the creamy pesto. Titikim lang tayo ng creamy pesto. Oh, wow. I like it. Sobrang lasa nung pesto, nung herb. Oh, wow. There's no sign of, Filipino taste. Sobrang sarap ng herb na ginamit. Again guys, ininom ko yung ano nila, yung honey lemon, which is really refreshing. However, the last food that we're going to try is yung kanilang mango graham float, which is the dessert. Although that does not mean na, you know, it's gonna be my last meal for the day. I'm gonna share this with my family later on. But you know guys, I introduced them to you. If you're interested po to order from them, you can check out their fan page, which is flashing on your screens right now. Make an order, they will deliver to you. If you're in Angeles City, it's gonna be for free. Now, if you're outside Angeles City, do a meetup na so kung saan man po kayo located. Anyway, so let's taste this one. Mango graham float. Oh man. Wow. The mango itself, really sweet. And then, wow. I mean, again guys, it's a dessert, so how can you go wrong? Wow guys, what an amazing set of meals. And virtually, di ko lang po talaga mauubos to. And what I'm gonna do guys is I'm gonna share this with my family, and hopefully again matikman nyo po ito. So make sure to contact their fan page and enjoy these amazing dishes at the comfort of your home. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. We hope to see you again on our next video. See you there. Bye bye.